Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to share with you one of the most important digital eye strain treatments. A narrow gaze strains the eyes. For example, we are looking at a phone or a laptop and our visual field is limited by the frames of the screen. The rectus muscle of the eyes that are at the nose are greatly overstrained. At the same time, since they constantly need to bring eyes together to one point, and if the phone is still lower and the eyes are down, then the lower rectus muscle are overstrained too. It's like looking at the tip of your nose, just a little further. It's very difficult for the eyes. We need to get rid of narrow gaze to reduce the load. You need to learn to look not only at the phone screen, but to capture the entire wall or entire room behind the screen, or the whole horizon or a street and as many objects as possible behind the screen. This will significantly reduce eye strain. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to improve your eyesight naturally.